I can apply the transformations and find the errors in it. So now pretty quickly looking at it, you guys are working on this one in the Google Classroom. I have given you guys 3 minutes to work on, and also you guys did. Let me go and check your answers. That's very nice. I see a lot of people already turning in. Please again make sure you turn in. Otherwise, I cannot give you guys points on this one. So let's look into the question. Does the figure B appears to be a reflection of the figure A? So each pair of the figures. Okay, let's see, look at the answers up here. You guys did answer them. I really like that. You guys used a lot of vocabulary on there. Very good. See, I think it's the figure B is a reflection. See, I like the vocabulary that you guys are using. Same size, shape, and just around. Nice. So I can see a lot of good notes out there, guys. Very good, good. And yes, B is more clear, okay. See, when you put your answers there, you're typing, that's how I know what you guys are thinking about. But if you guys are not answering there or not turning in I don't know if you're thinking correctly or maybe thinking wrong. So it's really important you do your participation, okay? Does it matter? It's just a participation. Yes, it does matter. Doesn't matter. It's just a participation. Oh no. So Rihanna, don't think about that as a participation. It's part of your grade. And the most chunk, it's more than worth of your homework. Classwork and participation, if you look at your grading, it's big chunk of your grade. It's both of them. Okay, I just want to let you know if you have any misconceptions on the participation. Okay, I want you to let you to be clear. Okay. So now let's look into this question right here. Now let's go ahead and see which one does make sense and answers them. Let's go look at it. Okay. Now the first one definitely looks like a, so definitely it looks like a reflection. That would be because I can see the tip is reflected to the tip right here, okay? So that's a reflection, that's good. So, but coming to the second picture right here, so the A and the B, if it is reflected, you see this is a little bump right here, it should be like that if it is reflected because you're flipping over, okay? But if but this one, the picture, definitely it's not a reflection. Looks like it just moved from here to here. That's right, Christian. It's true. I like that. You put it that translation. That is true. It's a translation. It's not a reflection. You guys know that in a translation, the orientation will be the same. Okay, the orientation will be the same. So this is a translation. Good job. See, it feels better when you do participate, and then when I go over the answers, and then you know where you did it correctly. Well, also, it helps you, oh yeah, this is not right. This is what I need to think. So it helps you. But if you don't participate, I cannot see and what you guys are thinking of. And okay. So it's really important you guys do participate, and it's also part of your grade. I just want to clear that to you. And let me see. I have still a few people haven't answered this one. I need a whole class participation, guys. Just want to let you know, it is serious part of job right here, and I'm here to help you guys at every step of you guys are doing there. But again, at the end of the day, you are the one who's taking the test. I'm here to help you, but I can't take the test for you. So if you're sitting there or just watching the screen or listening to something else, I want you to just take responsible for your learning. Okay, I'm just here to help you. Just want to clear that point to you. Okay, awesome. Let's move on. Okay. So next, look into this question right here. I'm going to ask you randomly read this question for me. Let's see. Cindy, unmute yourself and then read the question from here to here. From here to here. Okay, Cindy, unmute yourself and then answer this, please.
Okay.
Thank you. Go ahead and read the question from here to here.
Okay. Part A, which figure appeared to be reading
Mhm.
translation of figure C.
That's good. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Okay. When you guys are putting that effort, you are getting the extra point. I just want to let you know when you guys ask you to read, whether you know how to read or not, it doesn't matter. As long as you try, you get your points. Thank you, Cindy. Appreciate that. Okay. So Akira draws some pictures on the grid paper. Some figures are transformations of the figure C. Now, in this one, which figures appears to be a rigid transformation of the figure C? See, when you talk about the rigid, that's a keyword. It is really important because we don't know that what is the rigid means. But the rigid means it has to be the same shape and it has to be the same size. The orientation may change, like it could be turned, it could be flipped, but it has to be the same size and shape. On your notebooks, write it down, the rigid transformation, and also write it down this same shape and same size. Orientation may change, and write it and do a little bit cloud next to it. That way, when you are looking into your notebooks, when you see that cloud, you know that it is important. Okay? Please write it down in your notebooks. It's a transformation, and write it down this information on your notebooks, please. Thank you, Ziriana. Just clarifying Diego's question, yes, it doesn't matter whether you did the answer correctly or not. As long as you participate, you get your points on that. Okay, guys? That's good. Thank you. Okay. Alrighty. Now let's look into the question now. So since we know this is the rigid transformation, means the same size and shape. Now I want you to guys use your chat box or the right here, the Google chat box, and tell me whether they are this looks same size or same shape or not. So I'm gonna start with the pictures right here. The blue one is the pre-image. So that's what we are referring to. And the pink ones are images, the different ones. So we're gonna check one by one. So what do you guys think? The G, do you think it's the same size and shape? Yes or no? Put them on the chat box. Do you think it's the same size and same shape? C and G. Want everybody be part of it? Type your answer. Okay, I like that. Okay, yes, yeah, that's true. I can see that. Yes, they look same because I see there's like 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks and 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks, and looks everything same shape and size too. So yeah, yes, this is a rigid. Yes. How about letter F? What do you guys think? Okay. Yes. Yeah, obviously it can see that it looks like it turned around or rotated. Yes, this is also yes. Good job. How about letter E? I'm going to change the color. Letter E. No, because it's a smaller size. Even though it looks same, but it's not the same size. It's no, it's not a rigid transformation. Good work. Next, how about letter D or the picture D? Do you think they are same size and same shape? Okay, so definitely looks like the same size and same shape because there are 4 here and there are 4 here. There are 1, 2, 3 here, 3 blocks here. Yes, looks like it's a reflected. Okay, so that's good. Yes, this is also yes. And obviously, how about the hitch? No, because you see this longer, more here. So this is no. So now you guys understand what's the rigid transformation means. Now let's move on to the next one, part B. Explain how you can verify or prove that the figure answer part A are the rigid transformation. Obviously, we can say they are the same size and same shape, okay? Even though they moved around, that's fine. Now let's move on to the next one, part C. Identify the transformation Akira used to get each image of the figure C. Now, when she did this one, now let's see, I'm gonna clear this one since you already have them. Okay, let's see, it's still loading. There we go. Now, from the C to this, what do you guys think? It's a rotation, reflection, translation. Use your chat box and type it. What do you guys think? Is it a rotation, translation, reflection? Which you guys think? I have a lot of people in the classroom. I want everybody to be jumping there and then type in there so that way you can take a pride in your work. When I said the answer, and then you can see like, yes, I got this. Okay, that's what I want to see. Thank you. Thank you for putting those answers up. Okay, pretty quickly, yes, it is a translation. How do I can say? I can see this orientation is same. It just looks the same picture. It just moved from this place to this place. It went down a couple of units and then slided to the left a couple of units. So yes, it is a translation. I'm going to write it down. Translation. Good job, guys. Now, the next one, I'm going to go to the, I'm going to change a different color, or green, yes. From the C to D, what do you guys think? What happened? Is it a translation, reflection, rotation? What do you guys think? Good job, good job. I can see that. A lot of you guys are already typing. Yes, it is a reflection. It just flipped over. So that's the reason you see these 2 points is matching, these 2 points are matching, and these points are matching. These points are matching. Yes, this is a reflection. Good work. And then obviously the last one, you can check it out from C to F. What do you guys think it has happened? So one thing that's okay, if it is a yes. All right, Ricardo. Okay, so pretty quickly, right here, when you see this is a rotation. It's like turn around. If it is a translation, the picture has to look same. Okay, it's if I move the letter C to here, I'm not going to make the F. So it's a rotation. Okay, see the difference between the translation and rotation, that's really, you got to be careful. When you do the translation, the pictures will be the same. They don't flip or turn around or anything like that. They have to look same. But in case of the rotation, yeah, they're same size and shape, but they're kind of like different orientation. Okay, so this is a rotation. Okay, so I hope you guys understand today's lesson. It is it is important points. But if you guys still need some help, I want you to guys put it in the chat box. Mr. C, can you explain it one more time? I am here to help you guys. But if you guys are good, just put it, type it good. Yes, I got it, like that. So that way we can move on. Very good, I like that. Good job. Thank you. I can see that. Okay, so thank you. Looks like everybody's good to go with that. Now I'm going to move on to the next. And let's see, I'm going to clear this one so that way it's good to go for the next. Okay, so since you understand really good with this, so I'm going to move on to the next. Okay, now this one, it's a same question. There is a picture right here. I want you to guys create a rotation for this and reflection and the translation. So if I do the translation, what you do, it doesn't matter how many units you do, but you do it. Let's say I'm going to move this one to here. So I'll put a point A. I'm going to write A prime. Remember I told you yesterday prime, that little line is called prime. Now these are 1, 2, 3 blocks, 1, 2, 3 blocks, put that B prime. And then there's 1, 2 blocks. So it's going to be 1, 2 blocks. So C prime. So I'm going to join that. So I made a translation because I moved the figure to here. Okay, that's a translation. So what I want you guys to do, I want you guys to go to the Google Classroom. I'm going to show you guys so you can have that an idea. So if you go to the Google Classroom, go to classwork. And if you see that homework of the draw transformations, and you will see a Jamboard in there. So you click on this Jamboard and it will open you guys this. And I want you to create the same one I just mentioned to you. You can use this pen and there are different colors. Use a different color for the reflection, rotation, translation. Once you're done with that, and use the sticky note, you can change the different colors too. Sticky note, if it is a translation, I'll write a translation and then save. And you can take that and then put it on the new ones you made. You can make it smaller, this one, you can make it bigger. Or if you don't like the sticky notes, you can just take a text box and then you can just type it right here, translation like that. Okay, and then save it. And once you're done with all three of them, translation, reflection, rotation. Once you're done with the three of them, I just want to submit it, go back to the Google Classroom and turn it in. And then that way I can get you guys the grades for that. Okay, I hope you guys understand that. If you still have a question, I'll be here, ask me questions. But otherwise, please go ahead and then work on that. So I can see a lot of kids already, so working out right there. So that's for today. Thank you. Let me see. I want to see some other kids' work too, just to see how it comes like that. Let me go back to one of the classes so I can show you. See, one of the classes, I'm just kind of like showing you guys an idea, just to show you guys how it needs to be look like, or you can do it on your own. So it's up to you what you want to guys get. How do we see? Like this is a different kids, so it's up to you. How do you guys put it out there? So at this time, I want you to guys work on. All right, I want to stop the video.